Yep, 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 yep.
We're gonna be doing an unboxing today for Snatch and Lips baits. He sent an amazing care package. These are it, guys. All the lures and baits that Snatch and Lips sent us, you guys. I gotta say, there's quite a selection here. Huge selection of lures, man. Some of these I was actually throwing out yesterday. I was throwing out this one. Beautiful Senko, Harry style, wacky rigged. I rigged this one up in a net head here. It's a beautiful style bait. He has, like I said, he has a wide variety of colors. And you can rig them up in any way you want. Maybe a net EWG would be awesome here. I rigged this one up here on his spinner bait here. And it just gives it an added color skirt. For example, this one has just all white skirt and you want to throw a little purple skirt on there. Boom, easily done that way. Check this guy out. Swim bait, paddle tail swim bait style with a different hairy style design. My striper viewers out there that be smacking stripers, this is gonna be interesting this year. And when it comes to Senkos, we got the hairy style bait Senkos as well. You wacky rig this bad boy, look at that action. Beautiful. I mentioned before, I was throwing out this bad boy yesterday at my local lake. Wacky rigged here. Something different, you know? The newer style design worms here that you can wacky rig as well. Beautiful colors here. One of my personal favorite here is this guy right here. Again, you could order these in any color you'd like, custom order these. Throw this on the spear point hook. One of my favorite colors that Snatch and Lips baits has right now is this motor oil looking color. Check this out. It's a beautiful color here. The bellow gill style bait here. He has a micro bellow gills with a little twist. Check that out. That hairy twist right there. I know you guys see that. And then he has this as well with a kind of like a skirt material here. He has this as well with the skirt material. Beautiful bait. It can even be drop shot, to be honest. These can be drop shot. They're pretty small. One of the baits that I was really excited to show you guys is this OSP dice, hairy dice style bait. Some of these baits have been sold out for weeks. You know, these are fairly new to the market here. A few months ago, they got released to the US market, and you know, Snatch and Lips got you guys, man. I know you guys, the hype of Yamatanuki's been out with the Gary Yamamoto. Well, he has his version of the Yamatanuki as well. Hairy style bait. Check this out, man. Look at this thing, you guys. Man, I hope this comes good across camera. Check that out. He has different colors and different variations of the Yamatanuki. Like I mentioned, he has all the newer style baits. Some stuff that is not even available here in the local markets. Just bringing us a wide variety of baits. This was one that really caught my eye. Look at this nice slender tail here. The skirt around it. Beautiful choice of color pattern here. Amazing lure. For all you net heads out there, Snatch and Lip baits got you guys too. Check this out right here. Like I said, I rigged one up yesterday. Didn't even get to cast this one. I only casted the Senko worm. I was wacky rigged and the spinner, but I rigged this one up as well, but didn't get a chance to throw it. So many different possible ways of throwing these. You could even drop shot these, man. Newer style baits for you net heads. If you're a big fan of the drop shot, Snatch and Lip baits got you guys. Check this out. You got that finesse micro mini craw here in a hairy style. And this is amazing right here. Show them something different, you guys. His dice, these can be drop shot as well. So many different possibilities to rig these up. Drop shot, weightless, sea rig, so many different combinations you can use. For all my fellow trout fishermen, we got you, man. Check these out, you guys. for the trout. For all you trout fishermen out there. He has a wide variety of colors, you guys. Wide variety of colors. He has the bright colors. He has the more natural colors. Check this color out. It's like a Heisenberg baby blue color. Beautiful selection here. And one thing that I want you guys to notice about these baits here is that there's a wide variety in the color of skirt that they have as well. Although it's the same color, they have a different color pattern in the hair, which can make a big difference. Hit the sex by Snatch and Lip Baits. Beautiful. And he has a wide variety of colors, wide designs, different colors. He has, of course, for you jig heads, he has all these beautiful creature style baits in the hairy style as well. For example, this beaver style bait here already has a little hairy skirt on it. Amazing, just for added skirt. Check this guy out. I personally like this color right here and these choice of color patterns. This is amazing right here. Get your Snatch and Lips baits today. I'm gonna link them in the description below. Go ahead and message them and get your Snatch and Lips baits, man. Some of these baits are new to the market. Some of these are even sold out in the market here. And some of them have a beautiful, amazing twist to some of the newer baits that you're currently seeing in the market that have been available for only a few months here. Go check him out. If you guys see anything you guys like, you can go ahead and message him directly and he'll work with you guys. He's a pretty cool guy. I've been messaging back and forth for the last few weeks, and I gotta say, man, I really admire his work. You can tell his passion by his work. He uploads content daily. He has a wide variety of molds. He's still currently in the developing stage process of his business, and sent me an amazing care package to try and field test for you guys, just to see if he needs to make any tweaks or modifications to his baits. Beautiful selection of lures. Huge shout out to Snatch and Lips Baits for sending me such an amazing care package. Man, you're the real MVP. Go check them out, you guys. Thanks for watching.